girl right here. You see her? You see her? Listen. You see how she's carrying her luggage? Getting ready to travel around the world? That could be you. You know what the biggest problem with most people, you big kid, is because you don't believe that you can have this reality. You know, right now, I'm in this rock star suite right now, and I'm not sharing you with this to brag. I know you want to continue watching dumb YouTube videos, but listen, I'm living my dream as a rock star, baby. Rock star! You know why? Because I've learned how to use my mind to manifest what I want. And listen, until you understand that until you change your mind, you'll never have what you want, ever. You'll be 30, 40, 50 years old, reading books, going to seminars, watching motivational videos, and never achieving your dreams. Listen, for the 3% of people that watch this right now, I want you to do something for me, okay? All I want you to do is click that button below, and on the next page, you're gonna see a video of me, wearing this, and I'm gonna teach you in 10 minutes how to manifest what you want fast. I'm gonna teach you how to manifest anything that you want. You want clothes, jewelry, vacations around the world. You want the lover of your dreams, right? You want a husband, a wife. You want millions of dollars. In 10 minutes on that next page, and it's free, I will teach you 100% how to manifest and make those ideas that's in your brain real. I'm gonna give you a strategy. Come on. It's gonna teach you how to manifest overnight. And like I said, you don't have to believe this. You don't have to believe in oxygen, but it's there. I can't see it, but it's there. I can't wait to see you on the next page. Get the link. Much love.